Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Crochet channel. I'm glad to be with you in this video. In this tutorial we are going to make the magic ring. So let's get started. Now to make the magic ring you need to do this. Hold the end of the yarn with your hand and with this finger like this, and just wrap the yarn around your finger twice like this, with making an X shape and ending here, and hold the yarn with your little finger like that. So you have these two strands of yarn and this X shape with yarn. Now hold your hook and insert your hook under the first strand of yarn with the tip of your hook facing down, and just pull the other strand under the first one. Now just twist your hook so the tip of your hook is facing you now, and makes a little loop on the hook. Now you have these two strands here. All I'm gonna do is just making a stitch with this strand of yarn like this, and just pull through this loop here. So carefully loose it around your finger and you have your magic ring like that. So I'm gonna do it again for you like this, and do this and this. So you do your magic ring nice and easy. Now you have two strands of yarn wrapping around each other, this end and the ring. What we're gonna do is, you can leave it as it is or you can just unwrap it. So you are going to work inside this ring. If the ring is big for you, you can just pull this end, but be careful not to lose your ring while doing this. So with these two fingers you just hold this stitch and carefully close it a little bit. Now you have your ring and this yarn. What we're gonna do is working inside this ring, but bear in mind that while working we have to work over these two together, these two strands together, the ring and this end of yarn. So we will insert our hook, and I am holding these two, and just pull the yarn and do my first single crochet. What I like to do is marking this first stitch, so I will end my round in it, and it will make it easy for beginners to manage their way. Now I'm gonna work my stitches any number that you want, and you can use double crochet, single crochet, any stitch that you like, but I'm using single crochet here because my next project is going to be a hat, a beautiful hat, and needs this magic ring. So I'm doing 15 single crochet, and of course if you want to know how to do the single crochet or the double crochet, you will find it in the playlist of how to learn single crochet. Now I need 15 single crochet, so I'm gonna count it. Now bear in mind the shape of the stitches here. This is 1, 2, 3, 6, 13. I have 13, 2 to go. Now I finish my 15 single crochet, and I'm going to close my ring. So I'm gonna insert my hook in this stitch where the marker is and do a slip stitch, like pulling the yarn through these two loops. And bear in mind that you have to insert your hook inside these two loops of the chain. I will try. I have two loops of the chain, so I'm gonna enter in both of them, because if I enter in only one, it won't make my round clear. And just slip stitch inside this. You can lose the marker now. And all we have to do is just clothing our ring. So I'm gonna hold this yarn here and just try to put my hand in the last stitch and just pull my yarn. So I find it getting close. Just pull, keep pulling until you just end up with the closed ring. Don't worry, you can trim this end afterward, or you can just knot it around here in the circle. And this is how you make the magic circle. As I said, you can use it double crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, any kind of stitch that you would like. You can do many of these magic ring and start with flowers, coasters for your cups, hat, as I will do in the next video. So I hope you liked the video and find it clear for you and easy to follow. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.